So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can write a Python program which will create a notification on Windows for you. And eventually it also works in Linux, but I'll be working on Windows. So hey guys, this is Biswajit and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So let's continue in the video. So first of all, I'll open my Python tutorial folder. Okay, so actually I already have tested the things out and I have prepared it, but anyways I'll show you. So I hope you guys have already set up your Jupyter notebook. So first I'll activate my environment. So conda env list, conda activate. I'm going to use this one, conda python test. Okay, feel free to use anything that you like. And I'll open Jupyter notebook. Yeah, so let's create a new notebook. So we are prepared. So for the notification to work, you have to install one particular library, which is pip install PLYER. If I am not wrong, shift enter. Yeah. So since I have already installed it, it's saying requirement already satisfied, but you can obviously go ahead and install it. But it's not clear. So I'll import it. So from plyER dot import notifications. Okay. Now what we can do, notification dot notify, and here if I do shift and we are able to see there are a few more parameters that we can pass. So I'll open it. Now we can give a title. Okay, let's give the title as personal notifier, something more called as health notifier. Okay, then we can give message as hello, drink water, maybe drink water. Okay, and we can also give app name, app icon, but not all the parameters work properly in Windows. Since these libraries are built specifically for the Kiwi environment, they work in Windows and they work in Linux and hopefully in Mac, but built for Kiwi specifically, as I checked in their documentation. But few of the parameters will work. So title we can give, message we can give, we can provide a timeout, but it doesn't work as we expect it to work. Let's do a shift enter. Yep. And are you able to see? Obviously you're not able to see because my photo comes in between. Hopefully if I execute it again now, yes, now you should be able to see it. Yeah, so generally this, if you don't give this timeout also, this will work. Okay, if I do it like this, see, this works. Okay, so that is pretty sweet. Now we also have the option of giving app name, app icon, but I tested with app name, that doesn't work. App icon, yeah, it works. So we'll give app icon. So we'll get one icon file. Okay, so let's get some icon file. Yep. Okay, we have this 3D Valentine's Day. Okay, let's open this one. Yes, I'm not spending much time in this, so I'll go ahead with that icon file. Now, what was the file? Yep. Now I can come, paste, and if I do shift enter, see, we are able to get this particular beautiful icon. Okay, health notifier, hello, drink water. So yeah, so this thing we can do. So generally, this is how you can use your Python program to notify the users in case of any kind of alerts you want to show them. So I will be building few small examples like where we can notify the users, like maybe a countdown timer or maybe a battery notifier. Okay, so we'll build this in the upcoming videos. So I'll keep this video till here. And if you like this video, do press that like button. If you have any kind of issues or you are not able to run it, do ping me in the comment section below. I'll see you in an upcoming awesome video.